Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're recording right now? First, check which app is active and how iOS shows it. If it's screen recording, you'll see a red status bar or the red pill at top left. For camera, video, or voice memos, the app shows a red icon. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open the app or swipe down/up to access Control Center. Make sure you identify the correct stop control so you won't accidentally interrupt the wrong process. This saves you time and keeps the file intact. Now stop the recording. If you see a red status bar, tap it and choose Stop. This immediately ends screen capture and saves the file. Alternatively, open Control Center and tap the screen record icon to stop. In camera or voice memos, return to the recording screen and press the red square or stop button. Don't force close the app. Once stopped, the system writes the file to photos or voice memos. Make sure you wait a second for the save confirmation before leaving the app. Finish by opening photos or voice memos to verify the recording saved correctly. Play a few seconds to confirm. If you need to trim, use the edit tools now or share the file before deleting. If you can't find a stop control, make sure screen recording is added to Control Center in Settings, right arrow Control Center. Also check available storage and restart the phone if controls remain unresponsive. If you encounter errors, unlock the device and try stopping again to avoid corrupted files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.